How to wipe your iPad before selling. So if you're selling your iPad, it's important we go and wipe all of our personal data before selling the device. Now to do this, we first need to load up the settings on the iPad, click on your profile name in the top left hand side, and then select iCloud. Now select iCloud Backup, and make sure Backup this iPad is turned on and enabled. You can then press the Backup Now button, and this is going to save all of your personal data onto the iCloud, and you can basically use this if you're moving your data over to another device. Now once you've done this, click on your profile icon once again. Now select Find My, click on Find My iPad, and then go and turn off the Find My iPad. You may need to enter your Apple password to go and confirm these changes. Now once you've done this, come over to the left-hand navigation and select General. Scroll down to the bottom and select Transfer or Reset iPad. Click on Erase All Content and Settings. Click on Continue, and then you can press Erase iPad. Now this will remove all of your settings and personal data on your device, and once you've gone through these steps, your iPad will be like new when you first purchased it out of the box.